if YouTube stop recommending your video, you actually have those three things I'm going to mention to you in those videos to do in order for you to like make YouTube to start recommending your video again. Hi beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, you're welcome. So please remember to click on the like button, subscribe and comment, share, and let's get straight to the point. So one thing about YouTube recommendation is that the moment you post your video, YouTube will first of all push in your videos to your audience. So if your audience are actually watching your videos and enjoy your video, it will help YouTube to like push out those videos to more people, because they see that people love your content. If they can watch, if they can share, if they can comment, they actually enjoy your content and they'll start pushing that video to more viewers. But then in some cases, there might be some factors that contributed to the fact that YouTube aren't recommending your videos to even your subscribers for them to actually watch. And I'm going to show you three things you need to do in those videos. Please, if you have been clicking on the video and you skip out or you fast forward it, those video is not like that. You actually need to watch the video to the very end. In every step I'm going to give you in those video is very, very important. I also need to take it very, very accurately. Number one is putting in keywords on your YouTube channel. I know a lot of person doesn't know this. This act does not only make YouTube to like recommend your videos, it also make it to have more views. It also help your channel to like gain visibility and all of those stuff like that. And how does this thing comes in play? I'm just going to head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how this actually works. And that will also help your channel to like get recommended by YouTube, and how it has also increased your views. You can actually use this feature if you notice that your YouTube channel is actually shadow banned. Do this on the YouTube Studio app. So we are going to make it on the Chrome browser so that it's going to give us enough feature. So you come here and type studio.youtube.com. Then we are just going to long press it to open it on a new tab, because we have the app itself. So you are going to see this particular dashboard. This is what you are going to see right here. So what you need to do, first thing first, you need to come to where you see setting here. You click on that setting. So when you click on setting, you now come to channel. Do you understand? Then first thing, you need to impute the keyword that is related to your niche. Okay, like my channel is about social media growth that combine YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It could be Pinterest. It's also about some video editing tips, and I can also do like tech reviews on this channel. That is what basically my channel is all about. So that's why when you zoom off, so when you zoom on, you can see passive income, how to make money as a student, money making YouTube grow, get 1,000 subscribers. Vibe is Sonia, because that's like one of the channel that people love watches. Do you understand? Go viral on YouTube, get 4,000 watch hours. So you are going to put a keyword related to your channel, and you can also use you can actually use a channel name that is also related to a viral channel name that is also related to your niche, like think media channel. If you're actually talking about YouTube growth, you can also do that here. Do you understand? Just input them here, and all what you need to do is just to click on save. After inputting them, just go ahead and click on save. For me, I'm going to close it, right? So that is the first thing you need to do on your YouTube Studio in order for it to like get more views. All right, another one is the tab customization. This is very, very important. You understand? You need to come here and customize the home tab, the set for you section, put in some important settings. I'm going to show you that in just a few minutes. All right, so after that being said, another one is you coming to your customization tab. You see this customization here. All right, so you now come to where you see home tab. So when you come to where you see home tab, you are going to see if you have just opened a new channel and you don't enable all of this stuff like that, you are going to see this add section. There will be an option for you to actually click in order to enable all the sections. But the reason why my own is showing like this is because I've actually enabled it, right? So what you just need to do is that whenever you come here, okay, these are actually change this trailer for people who haven't subscribed and trailer for returning subscribers. This is how I actually did my own. So I'll go to my YouTube Studio. That's the app itself. So let's just wait for it to come up. So when I come to the app itself, I will now come to analytics. So if I come to analytics, I will now see the real time, like the top content, maybe content that people love watches on my channel for the past 48 hours. Do you understand? I'll see that okay, YouTube is actually recommending this content to more viewers. So what I will do is that you can see that why I'm deleting my YouTube channel is actually the content that people mostly watch in the past 48 hours. Like 270 person watches this content. So I need your help. That one actually live. I may not include this. So I'm going to just include why I'm deleting my channel and 5 ways to maximize views. Do you understand? So I'll just come here So as you can see, trailer for people who haven't subscribed, I've already added YouTube. Sorry, goodbye YouTube. That's why I'm deleting my channel, which you can see right here. So the next one here is for me to feature for returning subscribers. You can see that the video after that one is my live. I don't want to include the live. It's 5 ways to maximize your views. So what I just need to do is just to come here and click on those 3 lines. I will now say change video. So when I now click on change video, so you're now going to see the list of my videos here. Let's click on that video. I think it's 5 ways to maximize. Okay, so whatever changes you've made here, you always come here to publish it. You cannot see publish here. You publish it for you to actually save any changes. Do you understand? So that is that for that. So you enabled all these options, and you can actually do well to like featured channel. You now see the option to feature. If you check this feature channel, I've actually featured 2 channels, and these channels are my channel. This is my new channel, and this one is actually for my vlog. You can feature, you can select sections for live now, upcoming live, top community clips, subscription, show channel you have choosing to subscribe to. Do you understand? So I don't want to remove that section, so I'm just going to leave it there, and you just leave it right there. Then the last but not the least, this one is the most important one, is actually what you need to do after every upload on YouTube. You don't just need to upload a video and you feel relaxed. Oh, I've posted the video, thank God, finally I've uploaded the video. No, you still have some things to do, you still have some work to do, you still have some little things for you to do, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So we are still going to work here, but then you come to more setting, like you now see, sorry guys, let me go back. You now see for you, YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So what you need to do, just click on more setting. So the reason why you are going to put those things on recent content only, it's actually because if you have been on YouTube for the past 1 year, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you have actually been on YouTube for the past 1 year and you haven't gotten monetized, maybe you haven't gotten your 1,000 subscribers, or maybe you gotten your 1,000 subscribers but you haven't gotten your 4,000 watch hours, and you stay till the next year, that means the watch hours you gather for the past 1 year will no longer be counted for your monetization. So you actually need to like start creating more content or building or gathering new watch hour afresh. Do you understand? Then this is what you need to do. If you actually stay more than a year, this is basically for you. So you come here, you see content type, video, make sure you toggle this on. Do you understand? Toggle all of them on. So after toggling them on, you now see recency. So what you need to do, for those of you that have been on YouTube for the past 1 year, okay, you need to put it on recent content only. That means it's only content that you've posted in the last 12 months that YouTube will be like suggesting to people or showing it on the home tab for people to actually like click to watch. If you now put this in on all content recommended, that means YouTube can also be recommending your 5 years picture, sorry, your 5 years video, like your those years that you were not actually monetized or you didn't gather your watch hours, and you know that really YouTube recommend those videos and people get to watch, your watch hours will not still count. Are you getting it? So what you need to do for yourself is just to come here and check and click recent content only, and just go ahead and click on done. So I told you, whatever changes you've made here, make sure you always come here to publish it. Like it's just like you're saving it. So guys, that is that for that. That being said, another thing you also need to do after every upload on your YouTube video is actually to pin a comment. Yeah, maybe this comment could be from one of your commenters, maybe someone that actually comment on your video, and you see that this comment can actually make people to like start asking questions, start bringing conversation, start interacting with your post. You can actually do to like pin that comment in the comment section, or you on your own after creating your video, you can actually maybe ask question in the comment section. Do you actually think that this thing works? And do what to pin that comment section, because by so doing you are going to spark, like you're not going to make them to like start interacting with you by asking you some questions. And trust me, this actually works. Don't always forget to like pin a comment. You can pin for them to subscribe, you can pin when you ask them a question, you can also pin any other of your commenters comment, because it's actually very, very important. So now that you know how this person is going to help you, please do well to implement it rightly for your YouTube channel keyword. If you don't actually know how to do that, make ChatGPT to be your friend, communicate very well with ChatGPT, because as I am right here, I have 2 channels with similar names, so ChatGPT helps me a lot. And I want to create a video, I'll be like, okay, which of my channel do you suggest I post this very particular video? ChatGPT will tell me, okay, post it on Affitech Digital Academy, or post it on your main channel, which is Affitech Digital. Okay, because you know why? I've been communicating with ChatGPT. I like just make ChatGPT to be your PA on those YouTube streams, because it actually helps. It actually helps you with videos, ideas, and all those stuff like that. So guys, you can actually go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to describe, or to maybe you can actually generate some keywords for your YouTube channel. And ChatGPT actually knows what my channel is all about. And trust me, you're going to generate those keywords and just go there, type it in there, fill in the keyword, and you are good to go. So guys, that is the end of this video. Please do well to like, do well to share, do well to leave a comment, and most importantly subscribe and turn the bell notification so that whenever I will bring a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. But guys, and I will see you in my next video.